Shibuya.
Correct.
We were supposed to be at Suzuku today, but it's raining outside, so we decided to go shopping instead. Let's go shopping with us. Forgot umbrella.
It's like the theme is completely like American theme. It's just like as if you go to America and you go to a Japanese restaurant and they fill it up with all these Japanese things like the paintings and all the props there. It's like find all the most American things you can find and put it in one shop. Just like how we do it with the Japanese themed restaurants. It's so interesting to see it reversed.
Yeah.
And even the straws. Like classic 1960s milkshake straws.
We're having a burger. Wacky.
Even look at even like they make the theme as American as possible. Because even these jeans are like an American, denim's like an American thing. It's pretty cool. Kind of like Ready?